This video is going to review the sections of the gingiva. The gingiva can actually be broken down into sections. What we'll first do is take a look at a view that's further away, and then we'll move closer up to see the more detailed areas. Let's now move in a little closer and take a look at a few areas of the gingiva. The gingival margin represents the highest portion of the gingiva, and if you look at a photograph, it almost looks like you're drawing a line where the gingiva and the tooth meet. The attached gingiva is seen as a band of lighter shade of pink tissue. It also exhibits stippling, which we'll show you in a closer view shortly. You'll also notice in some patients pigmentation can be present in the attached gingiva. This darker tissue represents the alveolar mucosa. The tissue is darker in color due to the increased vascularity within the tissue. If you take a look between the darker alveolar mucosa and the lighter attached gingiva, you're going to notice that there's a line created where the two tissues meet. This line or junction of the two tissues is called the mucogingival junction. In order to see some of the more detailed areas of the gingiva, we're going to change photos and move you a little closer. This will allow us to pick up the free gingiva, the free gingival groove, and the gingival margin. What I'm pointing to now is the gingival margin. Remember, the gingival margin in a photo looks like a line between where the gingiva and the tooth touch. This area of the gingiva is called the free gingiva. The free gingiva represents a turtleneck that surrounds the entire tooth. The line that separates the free gingiva from the attached gingiva is called the free gingival groove. The last area that we'll show you is the attached gingiva. The attached gingiva is the area of the tissue that exhibits stippling. One thing that you want to remember, in some photographs it's easier to see some areas of the gingiva, whereas in other photographs it's easier to see other areas of the gingiva. By using photographs of different patients, we're able to see different areas a little more easily.